Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best infant car seats on Amazon. When it comes to your newborn, arguably one of the things that need to be of the best quality and highest safety standards is your infant's car seat. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Graco 4EVER DLX 4-in-1 Infant to Toddler Car Seat. The Graco 4EVER is a convertible car seat that's designed to offer up to 10 years of use, as it can transform from a rear-facing car seat, supports 4 to 40-pound infants to toddlers, to a forward-facing car seat, supports 22 to 65-pound children, a high back seat booster, supports 40 to 100-pound children, and a backless booster, supports 40 to 120-pound children. The headrest can be adjusted 10 ways, and the seat can recline to 6 positions to keep your child comfortable as they grow. It's designed with a Simply Safe Adjust harness system, which allows you to adjust both the harness and headrest in one motion. What we like about it: will grow with your child through all stages. Audio cue lets you know when the seat is properly installed. Quick Adjust headrest features 10 positions. What we don't like about it: pricey, bulky and not portable. Number 2. Baby Trend Expedition Jogger Travel System. If you're looking for the ultimate travel system with a high-quality stroller that can work on almost any type of terrain, consider the Baby Trend Expedition Jogger Travel System. As with every other infant seat, the construction includes a 5-point safety harness with easy one-hand adjustment and the push-button release to secure your child, while an adjustable leveling base attaches the seat securely to your car. EPS energy-absorbing foam creates superior side impact protection, and the seat pads are removable and washable. As an added benefit, the set includes a stroller that features extra-large bicycle-type tires that easily maneuver over almost any surface. What we like about it: large wheels allow the stroller to traverse uneven terrain with ease. Energy-absorbing EPS foam protects your baby during a crash. Can accommodate babies up to 50 pounds. What we don't like about it: components aren't the most durable quality. Stroller is big and bulky compared to some other styles. Number 3. Eventflow Pivot Modular Travel System. This 2-in-1 seat stroller will save you money but still deliver the reliability and safety you want. The multi-purpose set is equipped with an ultra-safe car seat as its base, an anti-ribbon bar that limits movement and front impact accidents, and a stroller that the seat clips into. In addition, the seat can face forward or toward you in the stroller at the click of a button, and an integrated belt lock system provides you with peace of mind knowing that the base is secure at all times. Handling up to 50 pounds, it's a great option if you're looking for a multi-purpose product that grows with your infant. What we like about it: a comprehensive all-in-one system. Material is easy to clean and machine washable. Car seat base is substantial. What we don't like about it: stroller basket doesn't secure items very well. Front wheels can be tough to steer on uneven ground. Number 4. Bright XB Safe GEN2 FlexFit Infant Car Seat. As the name suggests, the Bright XB Safe is a car seat that comes with a plethora of safety features. Everything is designed to protect your baby from impacts, starting from the deep, narrow seat with 2 layers of energy-absorbing foam for side and head impact protection. An impact-absorbing base coupled with an impact-stabilizing steel frame helps to limit forward movement or seat rotation in the event of a collision. And latch points secure the seat base to the car. It has a built-in seat belt lock-off feature, which ensures that the infant seat remains secure on the car's seat, as well as a level indicator that lets you know if the seat is at the right angle. What we like about it: super soft and comfortable padding. Added safety features to protect your baby in a crash. Deep seat design cradles your infant. What we don't like about it: heavier than some models. Installation instructions lack clarity even though they use latch points. Number 5. Peg Perego Primo Viaggio Infant Car Seat. Designed for travel in mind, the Peg Perego Primo Viaggio is an infant car seat that both protects the baby from the elements and the impact of a collision, as well as is designed for ease of movement. It features a seat base, load leg, and an anti-ribbon bar, which can help to prevent car seat rotation by about 50% in the event of a collision. Also, an energy management foot at the base of the load leg helps to transfer the impact energy away from the baby. Elsewhere, when it's too sunny in the car or when you need to use the infant seat on a stroller. What we like about it: lightweight and portable design. Energy management system absorbs impact forces in a crash. Substantial cushioning to cradle your baby. What we don't like about it: expensive. Only suitable for rear-facing needs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.